Hello guys, welcome to my video series tutorial to talk about Microsoft Semantic Kernel. In our last video, I explained about how to use kernel memory in Semantic Kernel application. As I mentioned, end of the video, we cannot get the source information if using the memory plugin concept. In this video, I'm going to address the issue how to fix it. We can get the source information also. Let's start how to implement this feature. To implement this feature, I have created a new plugin called Extend Memory plugin. This Extend Memory plugin contains the same information which memory plugin has. This is just an idea. You can write your own way how to implement this feature. I just want to try this feature and it works. So let's focus on the main function. The main function, as function. If you go to the as function here, so previously it's written only the result. It does not contain all the information, memory answer. To get this memory answer, first step what I did in the constructor, I passed the kernel object. So here I passed the kernel object, that is I stored into one local variable, and in the as function. So if you go to the as function, once we get the result from as function, it returns the memory answer. This memory answer I stored into the data collection. The kernel has the data collection. Here I stored this memory answer into the dictionary, the key value pair method. The key here I specified as a memory key and the value I stored into this dictionary. So every time I check if the memory contains this key, I remove it, then I added the latest information. So as usual, this function return only the result. So if you get the result, here we can access the data information. Here I have created the object for extend memory plugin. As I said, in the constructor, I pass the kernel object and the kernel memory. So this extend memory plugin we import into the kernel object. That's it. Here I put the breakpoint, the line number 27. We run the application and we see how we get the source information also. Start the application. We get the result as we seen in our last application. The next step, if you want to access the source information, go to the kernel object, dictionary, data dictionary, and here we added the key, memory reference, value. Value contains this source relevant information. Here you can see, if you go here inside, you can get all the source information, source name and the source content type. So this is a way we can get the source information if we use memory plugin into our semantic kernel application. As I said earlier, this is just an idea how to get the values. You can customize this class how you want to implement this feature. I hope you can understand how to implement this feature. Thank you.